Well, this is my quick and easy guide on how to propagate a Tetrapanax for all you people who started buying them this year and last year to hunt around on your other Tetrapanax for pup. I guess that one's too big, but there'll be one around here somewhere. There we are. Here's a little beauty. Now this is my no messing guide how to get them out. I'm doing this on my own, so it's a bit hard. Just take one trowel and stick it in straight through the root. Hope you get straight through the root and whip it out. Right, here we go. It's often a bit tough. That's it. And out she comes. Right, I'll take that up to the table and show the next stage. Right, here it is. That's just a pot full of cheap well, universal soil from down the supermarket. And that's the plant we've just dug up. Let's make a hole in here. Doesn't seem to be much root left on this. There you go. Where's the bit I chopped through? Well, anyway, there it is. Looks quite a healthy plant. Just stick it in there. Bed it down. Water, no messing. These things will grow anywhere, in any soil. That's that one, just got to water it. Here's one we did earlier, not today. I think that's about 6 months old. Next to mine, Mrs. is ginger, which is coming on nicely, which took about a year to get that far. I might add this is autumn, but it doesn't matter, you can dig these up at any time of year. So if you really want to grow them on, they're as easy as that. I'll show you a few more now. Right then, just to show you how easy they are, there's the little beauty we planted up now. So that's brand new. This one's the one off the table, about 6 months old. This bigger boy or girl, beauty anyway, that's about, I don't know, 8 months, a year old. And over here is what we call our nursery. This is how we normally plant them up. We're not so posh here. We call it our nursery. We just put all our breakages in. Just stick them in clay basically. Let them grow on. But in there, there's another Tetrapanax. And one there that's losing its leaves because it's autumn, and another one at the end. Right, I'll show you a few more. This is how easy they are. And over here, behind the pond, there's the pond, sorry. There's a banana. There's another one. We just love them. See that? That's probably, I don't know, a year and a half old. And if I swing back round over here, there's another one sitting on the corner. Tetrapanax mad at this house. So that's our easy growing guide to propagating Tetrapanax. Dig them up and just chuck them in the ground. They'll grow. Anyone can grow them. And don't worry about shoots. Don't worry about what names they are. Doesn't matter whether they're Rexes, whatever. Steroid giants, who cares? These are beauties. They're just Tetrapanax to me, all the fuss people keep making. Just get yourself a Tetrapanax and get it to grow like that. And this is the beautiful mother plant. Just look at that. Even having a flower. Did you know? They have flowers. What a beauty. And there's the flower just coming out now.